Dipped in chocolate vlogs are fire. Dipped in chocolate vlogs eat. Dipped in chocolate vlogs are the best. Period.
Follow Dipped in Chocolate on her socials.
Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl Dipped in Chocolate. But you see from the title down below, it is your favorite vlog, which is cleaning. I know you guys love to clean with me. I have not yet given you guys a room tour because I am not yet fully settled, and I want the place to be perfect for me and to show you guys. But I'm just gonna show you like the small things that I do around the place to keep it clean, and you guys are just gonna come with me and see what I do. I'm so excited. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, so I want to tell you guys something, and I hope you guys can help. So I've been doing YouTube from when I was in high school, but it wasn't this channel I was on. I was on another channel with some friends, but you know we separated, and I am now on my own. I have now branched off to Dipped in Chocolate. So I've been doing YouTube, doing Dipped in Chocolate channel from I was in sixth form. So I've been doing it for quite a long time. You understand? And I have not yet been monetized or a part of the YouTube payment program. I have been a part of it, been a part of YouTube community, and I've been trying to get monetized, trying to be a part of the program, be a part of their plan. But it's like every time I'm so close to being a part of it, my watch hours decrease. Right? I don't know why it happens to me, but it happens a lot and too much at this point. It gets aggravating. The other day I was just exhausted, and I was just demotivated and overwhelmed, where I was saying that okay, I think maybe this YouTube thing is not for me. But at the end of the day, I am doing this not just to be monetized, but I'm doing this because I actually have people out there that support me, that actually love to see my videos, that actually they are motivated by the things that I do and by the things that I say. So guys, you guys can leave something in the comment section down below, some motivation, because sometimes doing this YouTube thing, it gets you demotivated, because being monetized, that is one of the main goals. And every minute, if you guys have any advice, if you are a YouTuber yourself, if you have an advice for me, you can comment down below and let me know. How do you guys cope with basically YouTube taking away your watch hours? Like, I would upload twice a week, and if I don't upload like the other week, my watch hours gone way down. That does not make any sense. But guys, what you can do to help me is don't be afraid to share my content, send it to somebody you know will watch it, send it to somebody you know that will engage with it. So yeah, that's what I'm asking of you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep on watching. I have a lot of supporters watching me constantly, commenting. Even if you're not commenting down below, they're texting me, say, hey, I love your video. So thank you guys so much for the motivations. And just don't forget to share the contents to people, because I want to figure out if it's YouTube not giving me the watch hours that I'm supposed to get, or it is just my videos they're not getting the views that they're supposed to get. So only way I can figure out that is if you guys help me to get the views. And then if I get the views and I calculate it with the analytics and I don't see the watch hours coming through, I know that I have to report it on YouTube. Okay, so let's see what's going on. Let's go guys, let's go clean. Hey guys, this is my refrigerator. So there's a mini refrigerator in the room. I'm not gonna give you guys full detail because this is not a room tour as yet. So this is a mini refrigerator in the room, and I'm going to just clean up, guys. Yeah, it's a mess, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Food have to eat. So I'm just gonna arrange everything All right, so I do keep food items in this section also. So this section is basically like a dresser. I put everything in. You ever been to a hotel? This is basically a hotel room. So this section, basically the closet and everything, and I'm just gonna arrange this section and arrange this section. So let's go. So guys, you see all of these bags that I have stored. These are my Walmart, dollar store, and Ross bags that I collect. I don't know. Oh yeah, I know why I collect them, because I don't have to be always, buying garbage bags. I can always use those bags to put into my bin. So I collect them. I don't know why black people love to recycle these things so much, but I think it's good that we, love to recycle bags. So yeah guys, if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, so this is my closet. I'm gonna stop my eyes and play some music so you guys can vibe to while you watch the vlog. Guys, just to update you, we have two fridges, one inside for the snacks and juice and everything, that's a mini fridge, and one downstairs for the meat and the big products that needs to be frozen or kept frozen. So guys, I don't know, say this wouldn't be a full cleaning video unless me I wash. So look for me, look a dance. Guess which song me I dance to, guys? If you wanna guess which song me I dance to, me give you a shout out. So guys, look at this beautiful view, the tree outside, the pool view. Yeah man, premier room there, man. Premier room. premium room there. Sorry, premium. So guys, these are my quarters. I'm about to go wash, so I got my quarters up and running.
So guys, I buy a chip from Walmart. I don't even know if a chip will work or what. I'm gonna try call somebody on it and see if it will work. I don't know what going with Walmart now. Buy a chip and it's like a chip that work. But guys, this is my nice little window. Window, you know. So I want to put some plants right here. Even if I fake plants, I really want to put some plants there. You see, I put seashells there. I went to the beach, remember, and I got some seashells. So I'm going to do something very nice at this window because if you don't know me, my extra and more want my room to feel as comfortable as possible and as clean as possible, you know. So yeah, this is a very cute vibe where I put the books there in such a order where it looks, you know, aesthetically pleasing. So my window cute. It cute so far, but it can be better. I wanna think. I'm gonna stop my eyes and play some music. Bathroom time.
Honey.
Stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Gonna see like the top down. Oh, let's put tomorrow away, live right now. So let's not waste another day. Come to find out to season. Oh, let's take a ride through the same like the top down. Yeah, almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. Let's put tomorrow away, and I ain't worried about it.
Oh no, I'm showing off. I'm making a bathroom look like a hotel room. Well, check me out. First, get one tissue. You're gonna basically bend the tissue and make it look like the end part of a tie. So you bend it up like that and make it look like the end part of one tie. Right, the tissue that break, but me never see that. And you don't see that neither. So I'm go ahead. You see it look like the end part of one tie. Go so like that. And then you're going wet it up. You're going to go so boom and wet it up. And that is so cute. This is so cute, isn't it? Yes, it is. I'm so excited. So yeah, I just put it back where it's supposed to go. And now it does look like a hotel room. Right? Right, Louise? Right.
I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. Let's put tomorrow away, and I ain't worried about it. So let's not waste another come too far. Through the city with the top down.
Alright, let me put you guys onto something. You don't have to be using any chemicals on your glass, on your shower glass, right? All I need is to dump a dry cloth, a clear white cloth, or most likely a cloth that has this texture. Because you see when you use the way name shamai, when you use the shamai, it leaves a residue. So I like to use this material. So first, you just wipe it hard because you know they're gonna have some sticky marks, some water marks, everything. Just wipe it rough with just water. Remember, no, it's going to be damp, so it's not every part of the rag is going to have water. It's going to be just damp on some parts of the rag, and then you will do it again, like you will wipe the first time with the wet section of the rag, and then you go ahead and wipe it again with the dry section of the rag, and you will leaving it clean. And I go ahead on the other side and I did the same thing. My bathroom is not really dirty because I clean inside often, like, you know, this type of the texture that is inside of the bathroom, it is this kind of the same thing as the one that was in Jamaica. You remember that one I always complain about? You know, I always believe in foot mark and them something there. So but I was a complaint about the one in Jamaica because it's easy for stain. The one is not really easy for stain, but you know you have to keep it clean or else it's gonna become change to a different color. The bathroom are clean. I never have really do too much feet. I just the glass. I have to make sure so the glass clean. But otherwise everything else good. Everything else clean. It's not hard for clean, and that's a very good thing because you know I'm a busy lady. I can't be spending all of my time cleaning when I should be resting after a long week or a long day. You understand? So right now I'm just sweeping my nice clean sexy self. My body look good, I see. With a body like this, to me figure hell murder. Come listen to some music, can't stop listening to me. Honey.
Stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to say, nothing to talk down. Oh, it's for tomorrow, we ain't living right now. So let's not waste another day. Come to find out to season. Oh, let's take a ride through the same with the top down. Yeah, almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. Let's put tomorrow away. And I ain't worried about it. So let's not waste another come too far.
So guys, you know, I start off by washing the white clothes first, a full white wash by itself. So I wanted to wash all the sheets, so I definitely went ahead and washed the sheets. And these are the detergents that I use to wash my sheets and my clothes overall. Guys, the Clorox, body, Clorox, body freight, me say, me gotta take up myself, say, me, in a Jamaica, me always wash my clothes and me look up with a bleach. So me put the Clorox in the detergent, thinking say it's gonna look dilute it because I never know say it's so strong. Me put little bit of it in the detergent and mix it up. And me burn out the whole of my towel. A secret and a secret. A secret, so don't tell nobody so I'm burn out the whole of my towel. Say I'm burn out the whole of my towel and burn out a couple. I'm gonna close them, maybe about 3. I'm gonna close them. Never know so the Clorox body. So I don't use no Clorox for none of my other clothes them otherwise from the white clothes them because it definitely make the white clothes them look white. So you guys can go ahead and check out the Clorox. Yeah, if you haven't yet, I put you on something, okay? Basically use 3 machines. So I use one for the whites, one for the colored, and one for my small clothes, because yeah, that's the vibe. Small clothes them can't mix with my big clothes, and the colored clothes can't mix with the white clothes. They have to use string machine. I kind of like washing. I don't know if you guys like it. I don't like washing my hands, because my hands, especially my fingers, I don't know what happened. I don't know if I'm allergic to the detergent that I be using, but my fingers will literally cut up and bruise up. Oh, so one girl that coming on my video. Like she doesn't send me a video. Anyway, look at me walking away like some in a video. So guys, this is me in the kitchen, gonna be washing up my stuff that I use. I don't know, but a clean environment is so nice too. And I like when the environment clean, it feels so good. But guys, it is not easy to get up and say I got clean every day. Me, I try my best for clean at least once a week, because I am very busy. So I'm doing deep clean once a week, and then everybody does enter my video, so look a girl, we don't know you're limited. Anyways, but I try my best to clean once a week. But you see, during the week I try to tidy up as much as possible. But you see, if you get up every day and say you go wash, and you go wipe down, and you go clean, and you go sterilize, and you go sanitize, it is hard. People would not really, I'm not gonna say you can't have a job and do that every day, but you see people when they really are not to do, them can do that. But you see people who have like jobs, you can't get up and do that every day. One thing I really love to do is wiping out my plates or my cups or whatever, wiping them down after I've washed them, so you can have a dry finish, because I'll be bringing them upstairs with me. So yeah, but on the camera look pa uno. Uno better not slip up and make sure you subscribe, no, cause camera go see camera back on me there, camera watch you know. So if you not subscribe, it I catch on this camera, I'm gonna know say you not subscribe. I'm such a goofball. But anyways, I'm gonna listen to some music and tell me I like the video so far. Yeah.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again, I give my heart again.
So guys, that is it for today, but watch out for part 2, where I'll be decorating my apartment and letting you guys see the full apartment in its glory. So stay tuned for part 2 to be continued.